Scrappychics here, and today we're going to make a gumball machine for Valentine's Day. This is just a quick tutorial, super easy. I'll tell you where I got the pieces. Of course, I got them from the Dollar Tree. So let's go over those. So Dollar Tree has these cute buckets for Valentine's Day, so you need one of those. They also have what I call fish bowls, and this is like the medium size one. And it fits perfectly on top of the bucket. And then you need a flower pot base. And Dollar Tree did not have these out yet, so I went to Lowe's and still got it for $1. It was $1.07 after tax. And then you need your gumballs, and you can get these at Walmart, Target, and even TJ Maxx sells gumballs as well. And then you need some sort of ball to go on top of your lid. Okay? All right, super easy, super quick. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your bucket from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to get the sticker off the bottom. So I've already taken mine off. When you go to the Dollar Tree to look at the fish bowls, take your bucket from the Valentine section. Go to the home section where they sell the frames, and they have the vases there and the fish bowls. So you take your fish bowl and you sit it on top to make sure it fits. And it should look like this. Okay. So you're going to take it and make sure it fits on the top before you buy that one, because they have different sizes. So all you do is you get a hot glue gun, and you're going to put glue all over the bottom. You're going to put a good amount of glue on the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to sit down for this part, and you're going to line it up and stick it down. And then you're going to press that down. And just hold it for just a minute. And so you can see that it's stuck in there. And it's on there. It's not going anywhere. Okay. Now, instead of using a glue gun, you can also use E6000. My friend, she made one, and she did not use a glue gun. She used E6000 instead, and it still works. So basically, there's your gumball machine. So now what you want to do, you can go ahead and take your lid and glue. What I did was I taken a wooden ball and I painted it and put it on top. But I have another option I rather use, and I have these felt roses from the Dollar General that the whole pack was only $1. And I just looked at these a while ago and came up with the idea, I think I'd rather have a rose on top. So that has a sticker on the bottom, but I'm going to put some hot glue and put this right in the middle, and I really like the way that looks. So let's put a piece of glue in the middle, glue this rose down, and that can be the topper of our gumball machine. So your lid fits on just like this, and I'm going to turn it, and hopefully you can see. See? There's your gumball machine. It's so easy. Then you just take your gumballs, open them up, pour them in, and that is so pretty and fun. And you can do a gumball machine for every season that you want to do, because you know the Dollar Tree usually always comes out with these buckets for every season. Christmas, Halloween, winter, St. Patrick's Day. So you could actually make a cheap gumball machine if you wanted to. And I'm going to try and tip this just a little so you can see. So there's your gumball machine for $3 for the actual making the machine, because the lid was $1, the base was $1, and the bucket was $1. So that's $3. So I actually have more in my physical gumballs, because this box was like almost $4 at Target. So I have more in the gumballs than I do the actual machine. So anyway, and you don't have to use gumballs in here. You can change it out. You can put candy in here. You can fill it up with conversation hearts. That would be pretty for Valentine's. Or you can leave candy in the wrapper and put Smarties in there. So you can do whatever color candy, whatever candy you want to use for that season. But it still looks like a gumball machine. So thank you for watching my quick tutorial of how to do a Dollar Tree gumball machine. Quick and easy and inexpensive and a lot of fun. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.